It's time to install some new nesting boxes for the chickens, but to do so I had to let them out. They're having a good time. I'm gonna show you guys the nest boxes I'm installing. I got 2 of them. And they need to be installed flat on a flat wall. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Show you what I'm working with in here. So in the coop, I've got a couple flat walls that I can use, but the other walls are pretty taken up. I'm gonna try to get this hung up here. I've made a couple marks where I want to hang it, and then the other one will go on this side. I'm thinking how I'm gonna do that is on the outside screw in. I am talking. Excuse me. I'm gonna screw in some 2x4s to thicken my walls. So let's get started. That was awful. I don't recommend these nesting boxes. did it! I'm never doing that again. Hi, chickens. You coming to give me moral support? I need it. Well, now that that's done, let me show you the really frustrating project that is now over. If you guys have any questions about those nest boxes, feel free to ask. I don't intend on putting any info in the description or comments. I really hate those nest boxes. Hopefully the chickens like them. Thanks for watching me struggle. And until my next project, goodbye. You, ma'am, are noisy. Anyone want a chicken? It's fine. It's fine.